Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is none other than a tour of the JanesAgenda Deluxe subscription box for the month of December. So if you're interested in seeing everything we got in this box, this is definitely a channel for you to watch and subscribe to. Let's go ahead and jump right on into the video. Okay, so I always tend to forget these cards before I actually jump into the boxes. As you guys know, I do open the boxes now off camera before I come on camera to show them to you, just to make sure I have everything, which I started doing that once the August box came and I was missing an item. So if I did mention that in a previous video, I want to go ahead and mention it now. So going forward, I don't have to always mention that, but that's how I do things. Of course, everyone does it differently. So this card is what tells you what comes in the box. So you get a picture and a description of what comes in the box, and then you get a little bit of a lovely message. So it says, "Dear subscriber, this December themed subscription box is all about embracing a sense of calm to close out the year and setting mindful intentions for 2025. With a soothing palette of soft neutrals, it creates the perfect backdrop for a thoughtful planning and a fresh, purposeful start to the new year. Wishing you a peaceful December and a focused start to 2025. Holiday wishes, of course, Jane and team at JanesAgenda." So I'm gonna set this card to the side to reference everything that came in the box. I have some favorites and I don't even know honestly where to begin. I think what I'm going to do is just begin with the accessory pack, because accessory pack has 2 paper clips, the quote cards, and 2 metallic pins. Now I did not open this yet, so if opening this like cellophane bothers you guys, let me know in the comments below and I'll make sure I remove everything from the plastic. I do usually do that, but for this video I decided not to, since I have the time to go ahead and film everything. So again, these are the 2 snowflake paper clips, which I love. And then you've got the gold and silver metallic marker. Then you have the quote cards, and it has the little deer on it. It's got a little white poinsettia on there, and then it's got ho 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 on this one. Then we have our little thank you card, which looks like a little stamp, which is really cute. And then it does have the QR code in the back where you can scan to get the wallpaper. So I'm assuming this is going to be the wallpaper for your phone or your tablet or your computer, whatever device you scan it and upload the image to. I like how it does say December 24, 2024. I really like that. That's a nice touch. So let me slide that off to the side. And then we did get the page finder, which has this little tree. And if you feel, it feels a little bit raised, like it feels a little bit texture, kind of like her July box, the texture that's to it. So I do like that. I haven't taken it out of the plastic, but this again is the page finder. Then we have the dashboard set, as well as the decorative dashboard pack. So this is the decorative dashboard pack, I believe. Again, I'm removing it from the cellophane, so hopefully that doesn't bother you guys. And I'm gonna move the second one as well from the cellophane. So we've got this gorgeous vellum on top, which is kind of like a snowflake kind of I guess design, you want to say. Hopefully you guys can see that. There we go. Yeah, hopefully you can see it a little bit better now that I put that quote card on the back there, which I really like this. It's one of my favorites from the box. I have this fox, which is very much winter fall theme, and it's the same picture on both sides. You've got the bird, and then you also have, I forgot what these are actually called. There is a name for this, and my grandma used to tell me what it was, and I can't remember it, but it's an actual berry that the birds tend to eat from, I think, in the winter. And I thought some animals eat from it, but I can't remember. And for some, I believe it's poisonous. Y'all, if you know, correct me in the comments below, because I surely don't remember. But I do like those. I like the neutrals, like she said, of this box. And then I've got the other cardstock here. I'm trying to get this open. Sometimes it's so easy to open cellophane, and sometimes it wants to give you a little bit of a hard time for whatever reason. And so then we have these two. You have like the people skating and then the trees. I don't know which one I like the most though. This is definitely different. It's definitely different. I do like that. It looks like a capital in the back of that cardstock. All right, so let's move on to the inserts. So we got the 2025 goals and reference insert pack, which she did talk about this in her video, and y'all, I didn't really want to open this. I'm actually going to put it back in the cellophane because I'm not ready for it yet. So this is the 2025 goals and reference pack. So in this, you get your name or identification page. You do get the full year from January to December, which I do love. I usually make my own, so I don't have to make my own this year. And then you do get your, do they consider like a perpetual calendar? I can't remember what it's considered, but you get from January to June, and then you have your dates. And the weekends are actually shaded, which I was actually working on this for myself for next year. And I'm kind of glad I don't have to do that anymore. I can scrap that project and use this. And then she has the holidays on the back, which again, I create one for myself each year with this on there. And then she has the quarters broken down here. You have your creed, projects, task, and due date. You have categories. And I'm going to use mine for something a little bit different, which I'm excited to share. And then after that, you do have some goals. So I like that she gave us a good bit. So you could technically maybe run these. I won't say a good bit, but they're front and back. So you could probably run them for a few years, depending upon what you write in them. And then she's got the reference topic and update date on the side there. So she gave a few sheets to that. I am excited to use this, not only just because it gets me set up perfectly well for 2025, but also it just means I don't have a lot to do to set my planner up for next year. And then she also gave us the frosted side tabs, which I'm not going to take this out of the plastic, but it just has future, goals, and reference so that you can actually tab this. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for. I think I'm going to actually rename them something else, because I do have some other ideas for my planner for 2025, but those did come also in this box for the month of December. I think it's good to actually start thinking ahead, just so that you're ready for whatever may come. Then we have our covers. So I'm gonna rip these out the plastic because I'm ready to use these. So it just has a Merry and Bright, and it is foiled, if that makes sense. So it has those little poinsettias. Some people call these stars, but they're like poinsettias or stars, whichever you want to call them. And it is Merry and Bright on the front, and then the back is also foiled in gold. So you could technically flip them around if you want to and use this for the front and then this one for the back. It just depends upon what you would like to do in your planner. And finally, the last thing, which was her gift to us, and I have one of these, or I have it, I think I won't say had, but I know I have one somewhere that's 10. So she gave this to us as a gift, and she boxed it up because she said that in case we did not want to keep it, we can give it away. So it's already in the box. You can wrap it up and give it to somebody else. But it is this gorgeous green colored pashmina scarf, and I'm not going to undo it just yet. It's not cold enough just yet. It's actually starting to get cold this week. It was cold a couple weeks ago, then it got hot, and now it's cold again. But it's just actually starting to get cold. It's down in the 40s this week, so we're getting there. We're not there yet, but she does have her tag here in case you want to remove that. But this scarf, let me just tell you, it feels really, really nice. So that is everything that came in the deluxe subscription box for the month of December. I hope you have your box. If you don't, it will be coming to you, so keep a lookout for it. I know there's a lot of videos out there, people sharing their boxes and loving them for the month of December. I am looking forward to getting everything set up and put in my planner in a manner which I really, really like. So thank you guys so much for watching. And of course, it would not be a video if we didn't end this with my daughter here with me. So she's now joined me. So we want to thank you guys again so much for watching. As always, be safe in the streets, be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video, right?
Right.
Bye.
Get your hand back.
Bye.